How's it going, YouTube? So I finally broke down and bought a tripod, so maybe this will be a little bit better. Got a decent tool haul from a few different places, some from the flea market, some from Amazon, Matco. Alright, I guess I'll start with Harbor Freight. The new Icon pick set, or at least I think it's new. I kind of got a small handle, like even smaller than normal small picks, but we're only $15 and it has a nice tray. Now I have 4 sets of picks that I don't need. And I go to the Matco. Got this mini screwdriver set. There's the part number. The interesting thing about these, I thought, was, let's see, focus. Well, alright, I give up on that. It says width. They're like so lazy now that they don't even take off the original manufacturer. Yeah, just 4 screwdrivers, 2 Phillips, and 2 flathead. So grab this just because it was cheap. Just a little hex key set. I need to work on the focus on this. It's just 5 different sizes. It was only like $5. So then some needle nose pliers. Still no focus. There we go. PN06PG, I think. Oh, something on this already. So nothing special, just a 6-inch. Fairly cheap. I need to turn on another lot. There we go, that might help. Alright. Then I wanted to show this off. It's huge. 15-inch Proto J5454F. Half-inch drive ratchet. Let's see if I can get it all in the screen. There we go. Yeah, and I didn't pay nothing for this. It's interesting because warranted. This old Challenger ratchet. There we go. The ball detent on it. It's broke or cut off. Where's it at? The warranty process is fairly difficult with Proto. You gotta mail it in, wait on it to come back, but decent ratchet. Then I need to hurry up because it's 4 minutes in. Some Tsunoda duckbill pliers, 8-inch, made in Japan. These are not terribly expensive, like $15, I think. It's got the serrated jaw. Yeah, the yellow is going to get dirty fast though. Then Fujiya. They had a really good sale on Amazon. They probably still do if you check them out. A lot of the stuff's pretty cheap right now. Some 6-inch diagonal cutters. Yeah, most of their handles are orange, which is not my favorite color, but good Japanese tools for a decent price. I'll deal with it. These were like $10, just some small 6-inch cable cutters. Yeah, I'm gonna go through these pretty fast. This is just some stuff I picked up at the flea market. It's a little hacksaw, Craftsman. I don't think this is USA, but it was $2, so what the hell. I'm gonna quit hitting this. Just a little, it was a cheap Proto 10-inch. And if you didn't know already, let me adjust this. I have a problem with adjustable wrenches. Okay. Got some Giller. Paid a few bucks for them. This Wizard, which was a Western auto company. These are tiny. These are not USA made, but I think they were $2, so. These are really cool. It's missing the part right now because I have it took apart because I'm getting the rust off, but Walden. Really like these. These are kind of rare. Worcester. And this is also took apart because I'm working on it. This thing looked rough when I got it. Easco USA. Almost done fixing this one up. Last but not least, picked up a 1/2-inch Cornwell ratchet. A little bit older model. This thing was pretty rough when I got it too. Let's see. My bad. I'm new at this tripod, so I'll get better. What is really aggravating with these, you still can't see it. They got a small snap ring holding the lever switch on there, and that thing is a pain. But anyways, it was $6, so why not? And I think that is it. So subscribe and comment. Thanks.